Hey guys, Nick and Chase, and today we're going to talk about broom heads, batteries, and the liquid.
Sounds great. We want to start it off with the brush heads.
Sure, let's do that. So, most of the companies out there, they have a spherical brush head, which is more like for vacuuming carpet.
Right.
And matter of fact, these are the ones basically that we were telling customers to go with before we got involved.
That's correct.
And made our own. And what we found out as being two artificial turf installers, we figured that why not put a real barrel brush head on here like what we use to install artificial turf. And what we found out is it actually works better at lifting the debris out of the turf and pet hair out of the turf. So Chase and I, we spent, man, like 3 months just beating the crap out of this to make sure that it was gonna do what it's supposed to, and it outperformed the spiral. So you really want, that's the really a big difference key for our fiber lift technology is the barrel head broom. So
Absolutely. Well, second to that, guys, we'll talk about the batteries today. So all the units that you're going to get, the Turf Power Sweep units, are going to come with two 4-amp, 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. And I know for a lot of you guys out there, it's just simply not enough power to get you through a much larger yard or maybe a commercial facility. And so we sell additional battery sets on our website, but there's also some other options available to you out there. One of which would be Makita. So we are compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. It's the same battery cell count inside the batteries. And so if you wanted to, or you already had tools that were Makita brand, you're capable of using that in our units. You can also find many off-brand batteries on Amazon that will work in our units. So anything that is compatible with Makita and is an 18-volt or 20-volt battery is also going to be compatible in our units. We're focused on giving you guys the best product out there available. The Turf Power Sweep is that for our customers as far as grooming the grass grows. But if you just need a little bit of extra power, you're welcome to buy those through our website or use your Makita batteries or find some off-brand ones on Amazon.
yeah, and you know, one thing that we try to pride ourselves on, not only are we been in the artificial turf industry for over 20 years, but Chase brings a insurance background for risk management. And one things that we pride ourselves on is the safety for the power brooms for the customers. Go over the thermal switch.
Yeah, so in all of our lithium ion battery technology, we've included thermal switches into each battery. There's also a thermal switch in the unit itself, and that's really to protect the batteries and protect the unit itself against damage over time. And so if you ever find that you use the battery or use the broom for 10 minutes or so, you stop to empty the collection basket and the broom won't start again, it's because the thermal switch inside of here is a safety switch has tripped. And the best way, the easiest way to reset that is just to press the battery indicator light button on the back of the battery while it's still in the unit. That resets the switch. The batteries are completely safe. It's just an added safety measure for the unit to protect it, and that'll allow you to continue to go until the battery is fully depleted. So if you see that it's still got 2 bars in there, it's still good to use. Just reset the safety switch and keep on going.
Thanks, awesome. Thanks for the information, Chase. So let's go to our other product, the Turf Animal. Tell them a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this is our Turf Animal Enzyme Base Cleaner. It's an all-natural formula that we created in-house after years of experience using different products in the industry that we really couldn't find one that worked and kind of handled everything that we wanted. So we've got our Turf Animal Original formula. We've got our Turf Animal Pro Strength here. Both these are great options for backyards and facilities. Again, all natural, safe for pets and kids. We can spray the grass and the dogs can go play immediately after. But not only is it going to reduce the odor in the artificial turf, but we're also going to remove the static electricity out of the grass. So this product coupled with our Turf Power Sweep is really the trifecta of turf maintenance that's going to allow you to remove the hair, remove the debris with the Turf Power Sweep first, and then you're going to allow this product to get down all the way into the backing of the turf and remove all the existing odors, break up those urine crystals on the blades, and leave behind a really great, fresh-smelling yard. So we put it into our eco-friendly bags here for ease of use. We've got the spray top that comes in our starter kits. But if you're a commercial facility and you need something a little bit more product at a time, we sell it in the gallon, and then we also sell it in the quart bottle with the spray top included. So we've got it covered end to end here for all different usages for our customers.
Yeah, and so I'm gonna kind of tell them a little bit why we went with live enzymes.
Yeah.
So live enzymes, picture it as a soldier. They're going to go in there and they're going to attack the waste, the organic waste, and it's going to eat it, and it's going to go all the way to the backing. Whereas other cleaners out there, they just stay on the surface.
Yeah.
It gets rid of the smell instantly, but it's just on the surface. Whereas this gets rid of the smell and continues to work around the clot and gets down into the infill and to the backing versus just the top layer.
Right.
So the live enzyme's the way to go. Matter of fact, that the city of Tampa, that's all they recommend is live enzymes, and the city of Tampa uses turf animal.
Well, I can add to that as well. So a lot of the other products on the market that aren't enzyme based, that are more chemical based, can wreak havoc not only on the turf but the other surfaces that are around the facility.
Yeah.
So anytime you're using a chemical base, what be it chlorine or something other than that, like a peroxide base, you run the risk of fences and any metal around your facility or your backyard rusting. You run the risk of seams coming apart because a lot of the solvents and things like that that are used in the chemical formulations will eat away at the glue in the turf.
Yeah, we see that a lot.
We see that a ton as turf installers. So using an all natural product, although some people are like, oh, well, all natural, it's not strong enough. This is highly potent. It's a concentrated blend. It works phenomenal, and it's going to keep your yard smelling fresh while also maintaining the safety of your investment and making sure that it goes the distance.
Absolutely. And this gallon will go quite a ways. It's going to be 4 ounces to a gallon of water. So a little bit goes a long ways. If you're new to cleaning your turf, you haven't cleaned it in a while, bump it up to 8 ounces for the first treatment. But
Right.
That's what we recommend. And then these starter kits come with the nozzle, and you just turn this nozzle here to spray, and it already goes the exact amount that we need.
Yep.
So that way your turf's taken care of. And
yeah, this is a set it and forget it solution for homeowners or people that want ease of use. You use it, you throw out the bag, you keep the spray top, and you reorder the refills, and you just continue that process over and over again. But we've really developed our turf animal and turf power sweep to be exactly that. It's an easy use product. Our entire family of products is meant for the clients. It's built by turf installers who understand what the turf needs and what the issues are that you guys face every day.
Yeah.
So, you couldn't find a better solution. We're a fully rounded company. We don't just sell sweepers. We don't just sell live enzyme product. We've really kind of tried to figure out a way to give customers everything that they need to maintain the grass.
Exactly. And you hit the nail on the head. It's made by people actually in the industry,
Right.
Not a car shampoo company, not a vacuum company. This is a turf company that's been around for over 20 years that we know this is how it works and what needs to work and how it keep your surface safe that you've
Right.
spent thousands on by keeping your family and pets safe as well.
Yep. Yeah. It's really just going to extend the longevity of your investment and make it a lot easier to maintain. And that's all we're looking for is how do we get the most efficient clean and save the customer time so they're not spending hours in their backyard trying to maintenance what they were sold on as being no maintenance.
Yep,
Right?
absolutely. Absolutely. So we hope to see you soon, and we hope that you end up either buying a turf power suite from us or turf animal. And if you ever have questions, we're around 24/7. So get us on the email or call us. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.